Hey everyone. Okay, on this rainy Memorial Day, Trenton and I have been inside and we made a plaster volcano and Trenton painted it. And now Trenton, tell everyone what you're getting ready to do.
Explode a volcano.
And what are you using to do it with? Vinegar.
Vinegar.
And baking powder.
And baking powder.
Alright, let's see you do it. Do it slowly. It's fizzing. Is it going to do anything? It's trying to.
It's exploding already.
It's just bubbling, isn't it? That wasn't a very good volcano, was it? Put your finger down in there and make sure it gets all of that. There it goes. Mix it up a little bit. With your finger. Put your finger down in there.
It feels so crazy. Ew. It's doing it. I also got baking powder. Mom, I got a lot of that baking powder.
I know, the baking powder didn't dissolve, did it? We need some more vinegar, I think. Alright, was this a science experiment success or did we fail?
Fail.
Okay, well, let's try something else.